Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll be replacing the keyboard on the HP 14 laptop. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. If you don't have these tools, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. 1. Power off the laptop. Ensure your HP 14 is powered off completely. Disconnect the charger and any external devices. 2. Remove the battery. Flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Slide it to unlock and remove the battery carefully. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. 3. Unscrew the base cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws from the base cover. Keep them in a safe place. If you're unsure about where the screws go, you can take a photo for reference. 4. Pry open the base cover. With your plastic pry tool, gently work your way around the edges of the base cover to detach it. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as you could damage the clips. 5. Disconnect the keyboard cable. Once the base cover is removed, locate the keyboard cable connected to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector using your fingers or a plastic tool to avoid any damage. 6. Remove the old keyboard. Now, unscrew the screws holding the keyboard in place. These may be located at the top of the keyboard or beneath the base cover. After unscrewing, gently lift the keyboard from the laptop. If it feels stuck, double-check for any screws you may have missed. 7. Clean the area. Before installing the new keyboard, clean the area with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This ensures optimal performance and longevity of your new keyboard. 8. Install the new keyboard. Place the new keyboard in position and align it with the screw holes. Press down gently to ensure it sits properly, then screw it back into place. 9. Reconnect the keyboard cable. Carefully reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached to avoid any connection issues. 10. Reassemble the laptop. Replace the base cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws to secure it. 11. Reinsert the battery. Finally, place the battery back into its compartment and slide the latch to lock it. 12. Power on the laptop. Turn on your HP 14 to test the new keyboard. Make sure all keys are functioning correctly. If at any point you feel unsure about performing these steps, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you further, ensuring that your laptop is in the best possible condition. This process is straightforward, but always remember, if you'd prefer not to tackle it yourself, we can handle it for you. With no calls, no travel, and a quote before repair, you can relax while we take care of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.